And you can try all you want to, lie all you want to, get high or you never be me. I in the beef, I'm in the street, you suckers weak, and you can never be me. And you can try all you want to.
What's going on, everybody? SMS Show, that's right, we got a monthly update for you guys. That's right, I'm here with the homie Lee.
What's up?
Thanks for coming through, man. Thanks for coming through. You know, we like to do the show. We do this for you guys, the 13,000 subscribers. We want to say that we appreciate you. Keep it lit, keep it tuned in. But real quick, man, I just want to really kind of talk about some of the crazy things that's been going on lately, and see if you guys could chime in. There was that whole eclipse.
Yeah.
It was like, what, like a month ago?
I think so, yeah.
So there was like this huge eclipse. It was a big deal. And I understand like the correlation, like after the eclipse, all these crazy things are happening, like Hurricane Harvey. What happened in Harvey? I wasn't even here when Harvey happened. It was a huge hurricane that hit Texas, right? And now a bunch of people are like, out of a home and whatnot. But that's not funny. But you know what is funny is the cat, the Hurricane Harvey cat. Did you see the Hurricane Harvey cat? The cat looks pissed. The only reason I bring up the cat though is because I have a cat. His name's Homer. Show you a picture of Homer. It looked like this guy. You know, whenever you're having a bad day, just think of the Hurricane Harvey cat and remember, you know, you could be having a hard day like this cat. But anyways, there's another hurricane that hit the States, or is about to hit the States, Hurricane Irma, and that hurricane is supposed to be a Category 5, and I believe they told 5 million residents in Florida to
evacuate?
To get ready to evacuate. That's pretty crazy. And what happened in Mexico? Something happened in Mexico recently, right?
It's like a huge earthquake that hit, and there's supposed to be a tsunami warning too around there. So.
Yeah, that's right. So we got like three big hurricanes and an earthquake, like an 8.0 in Mexico. So I'm wondering if like this eclipse had anything kind of like to do with this, or I don't know. What do you think? Tell us what you think. Are you from Florida? What are you doing with this whole hurricane thing? Are you hanging out, or are you gonna evacuate? What about you guys in Harvey? What's it like out there? Chime in. Let us know. Back here in the Bay, though, let's bring it back here to California. Some unfortunate stuff happened recently. There's like this whole beef right now between Mozzy and rapper who?
Sibo?
Yeah, that's right, Sibo. Sibo's got a lot of respect in the game for doing music, I think in the 90s, right?
Yeah.
And him and Mozzy been beefing, and I think he called out Mozzy. And recently, Sibo was going to do a video shoot at like some park in Sacramento, and the video shoot got shot up. And I think one person died and a couple people injured.
Crazy stuff. I don't know.
So, yeah, I think that's taking that rap beef to another level. I mean, what do you know about the rap beef between Mozzy? Do you rock with Mozzy? Do you rock with Sibo? Chime in, type us a comment, let us know what you know. But I mean, in terms of like beef, I wanted to talk also about this whole issue between North Korea and, kind of like the United States, with Kim Jong-un flying a missile over Japan. It's almost like he's antagonizing the U.S. He's antagonizing Japan. What do you make of this, Lee? Does North Korea want war, Lee? What do you think, man? Do they want war, or they just...
I don't know. It's just all politics and stuff, so...
Right, we don't want to get too much into politics, but at the same time...
Happens like every year, so...
Right.
You know.
But, I mean, it's just like a big deal, them flying a missile over Japan, because Japan is one of the U.S.'s allies, right? So we are, like, sworn to protect Japan if anything happens to them. So that's like flying a missile over Japan. It's almost like sending, like, a threat to our allies. And so the U.S. almost, in a way, has to step up. But they gotta be kind of smart about it. They can't just be, like, invading other countries. I don't know, can you do that in 2017? Last but not least, I mean, one of the updates from this month, or I guess it was last month, but the last episode of Game of Thrones Season 7 aired. What did you think of the last episode, Lee?
It's crazy. It's one of the most watched shows and anticipated, so everybody was watching it, and everybody's ready for the next season next year, so a lot of crazy stuff happened.
yeah, I think it was a pretty dope episode. It was kind of cool that they finally brought one of the undead to Cersei. She was like a non-believer. She just wants war. She wants the whole kingdom to herself. And when the undead just went and like attacked Cersei, it made it like really real. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like the threat was real. And then the ending finale of the episode was the whole thing about the wall coming down. The undead, they have a dragon now. They tear down the wall with the dragon. Sorry to ruin it for anybody, but this is what happens, right? This is what happens. And that's like the end of it, the season.
Yeah, until next year. So.
Until next year, we gotta wait. We gotta wait a long, long while. So before we wrap up the show, I wanted to share with you guys my favorite beer right now. I'm not a huge beer drinker, but I gotta tell you, man. I discovered Cali Creamin' over at a local bar here in San Francisco. It's from a brewery down by San Diego. And it tastes like a cream soda. You've had Cali Creamin', what do you think?
It's pretty good. It's light. So.
Something light, right?
Yeah.
I don't know. What's one of your favorite beers, man?
Just whatever.
Okay.
I'm not really choosy about beer, so
You just
as
like
long
whatever.
as
You just like give me a beer.
as long as it's not like no Bud Light or Miller Light or some course, it's all good. So
That's what's up. What's your favorite beer? Are you watching? Do you have a favorite beer? Do you have a favorite alcohol? I want to know about it, man. Post a comment down below. Let us know what you like to drink. But I think that's all we got for this episode. I want to appreciate, but I want to let you guys know that I appreciate you guys for checking out the show. Thank you to all the subscribers, and we'll catch you on the next episode.
And you can try all you want to, lie all you want to, get high all you never be me. I in the beef, I'm in the street, you suckers weak, and you can never be me. And you can try all you want to.